As soon as I found Learnlife, it felt like, wow, first I didn't know such a thing existed, but it felt like exactly what we needed. We have 3 children. They're all very different. They all have different needs. And it always felt like serving one would disservice the other. How do you fit all 3 kids in the same box when they're so different? For my kids, the transition was like everything. So new friends, new culture, new language, new everything, new home, new school. So everything was new. The younger ones didn't really struggle with the transition the way that the oldest one did naturally, because not even exaggerating, we're ready for 6 months of transitioning and walking alongside and trying to navigate those waters with her. And it took us a week. So yeah, she was a new person. And it's all because of the school. She just gained life again. And we didn't even know that she was, like fading in a way. My middle son has been, very hard to adapt to traditional education. He's a very social kid. He's extremely smart, but he just doesn't function within the way that the traditional education system works. And so things like tests, exams, homeworks they just don't make sense to him. Where when you remove all of that, he suddenly was talking about things that I never thought he would be interested in. He's doing these deep research about these dinosaurs and extinct animals. He's doing budgeting and creating a business. And so for him, learning is fun, is motivated. It's not somebody talking to me and I have to memorize it all. The younger one, she's always been very articulate. And so it allowed her to kind of mature in that way and really be the person that she really is. And at the same time remain a kid. And I love that besides just doing, the routine stuff, she was really elevating herself. Like she saw that there's a growth pattern and I can follow it. I think it's priceless to have a place that aligns with that, where kids can explore in a safe environment, what it looks like to make choices, to design their learning processes, design their projects, design their, even maybe their career.